हैं बेनेट यूनिवर्सिटी में शनिवार को गजब का जोश देखने को मिला। जी हां, कॉलेज के 7वें वार्षिक दीक्षांत समारोह में सालों की कड़ी मेहनत और उपलब्धियों का सम्मान हुआ। यूनिवर्सिटी के प्रोफेसर्स और स्टूडेंट्स के साथ साथ इंडस्ट्री के दिग्गज भी इस दीक्षांत समारोह में शामिल हुए। समारोह में टाइम्स नेटवर्क के एमडी विनीत जैन, ओयो के रितेश अग्रवाल, गोदरेज इंडस्ट्रीज के नादिर गोदरेज भी मौजूद रहे। देखिए इस कॉन्वोकेशन समारोह की एक झलक।
When we founded Bennett University, the vision was clear: to be a global leader in education, research, and innovation, empowering the higher learning ecosystem. We set out to build a university that prepares young people not only for the careers they will pursue, but for the lives they aspire to lead. From a bold idea, Bennett University has grown into a vibrant academic community of 14,000 students and 800 faculty and staff members. Each member of this community, from our scholars and teachers to our mentors and staff, contributes to an environment that encourages a lifelong pursuit of excellence.
I would now request Honorable Chancellor, Bennett University, to confer the degree of honoris causa upon Mr. Ritesh Agrawal for his outstanding contribution to redefining global hospitality while representing India's innovative spirit.
I hope you recognize that until today, the tests came with answer keys. Now no more. From tomorrow, they will come disguised as obstacles, as challenges, as self-doubts, whether I'm doing a good job or not, and opportunities which will feel like chaos at first.
I would now request Honorable Chancellor, sir, to confer the degree of honoris causa upon Mr. Nadir B. Godrej.
The need of the hour for our nation is comprehensive education. And just like you, as one can see, I also will get a degree. For yours, you work tirelessly. Mine, of course, is honorary. Bennett University serves the nation, so Times Group deserves commendation. The times we live in are very tough. The going can get very rough. The world is changing very fast, and nothing new seems like the past. So to survive in this rat race, new skills at a rapid pace must constantly be acquired to ensure that you're not fired.